Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel Abroad Job. I will share with you a job openings from Tanzania, and it's a African country. Hope you all know this. So if you have a plan to move African country with a job, then this is your golden chance. Don't miss this chance. Take the opportunity and join a good job in Tanzania, and you can build your career in a proper way. So let's start. What is the job openings? How to apply? What are the requirements to apply for this job? All the details. There is a multiple vacancies in Tanzania, and various positions are available. So you can see here the number one manager manufacturing. So first of all, I would like to tell here, if you are having experience in manufacturing as a manager, then don't wait and apply as soon as possible. And I will share with you how to apply. So you need to know, as a manager in manufacturing, you should have the proper skills, you should have the proper experience, and you should have the proper certifications, all the details. So second, junior engineer. So to work as a junior engineer, you should have the proper degree, proper experience, proper skills to apply for this job. Next, electrical engineer. Next, engineer, head projects logistics, internal auditors, chief financial officer, financial business analysis, store manager. So as you can see here, these all are high profile jobs. So obviously for these jobs, you should have the proper experience in the relevant field. So if you are really eligible for this by your experience, by your qualifications, and by your skills, then don't wait, apply right now. And the location will be Tanzania. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by the company. So next step, how to apply. If you are interested to apply for this job, and if you have the proper experience, proper qualifications to apply for this job, then you need to note this official email ID so that you can easily share your updated CV, your certificates, and your all experience certificates. So as you can see here, the company already given two email ID. So I would like to suggest you, if you are forwarding your documents, then try to forward by this both of this email ID, so that your document will be recorded by the company, so that the shortlisted process will be easy for you. So please share the informations like your educational details, your experience details, your skills, all your ID copy, everything, your passport size photo, your passport with valid minimum 2 years. And if you are really eligible for this job, don't wait. Prepare the documents with your updated CV and forward it to both of the given official email ID. After you forward, you can contact them for the interview. So here I would like to tell you, once the candidates will send the updated documents by this government official email ID, the shortlisting process will be start. So the shortlisted process will be minimum 1 week, and after that, once your CV will be shortlisted for interview, the company will get you notifications and what is the time, what is the date about the client interview, so that you can attend the client interview. After you crack the client interview, the medical process and visa process will be start by the company. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And here I would like to tell you one thing. This is a multiple vacancies in Tanzania, urgent vacancies. There are 9 types of jobs are available, and all are high profile jobs. So as you can see here, this is location is Tanzania. Accommodation, transport, and food will be provided by the company, and this is the applying process. So lastly, I would like to tell you, share this information to all of your friends and relatives and the candidates having a dream to move abroad with a job, so that it will be helpful information for them to apply for this job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will try to give you the informations and try to share the job openings from other countries Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos and apply as soon as possible to get a abroad job. So best of luck.